Hi thrill seekers, are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime?
We want to take you with us on a trip to Thailand. The Gadabout Pilgrims experience a 7-day roller coaster ride packed with excitement.
First up, picture this. Diving into Fifi Island's turquoise waters for an underwater spectacle that'll leave you completely breathless. Don't forget about our gentle giant. We're talking about bathing elephants.
And also don't overlook the feast for your taste buds. Papaya salad, house soy, spring rolls, Thai green curry, paper explosion. But wait, the grand finale, the Songkran Festival, fully on steroids, water fight, vibrant celebrations, laughs, and more water fight.
Here's a little secret. Now, while we love documenting all our experiences, confession, the best moments always happen off camera. Spontaneous laughters, unplanned adventures, those truly are the gems that make a trip unforgettable.
Because no matter how many memories we capture, the real magic happens in those unplanned, off-beat adventures.
So what are you waiting for? Join us on the Gadabout Pilgrims experience in Thailand now!
Yeah, they're all oily, man. Just spring rolls. What a minute spring roll? Tauge. Tauge, right? Tauge.
Just look straight into the
Just like grass. Ginger.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Nice mustache.
smell it?
Wait, do you want that?
Okay, we were ready to grab that one.
Thai curry.
Baraf pani.
Yeah, just
And we need
butter.
this.
No, wait, I drink.
Oh, Shin, what is that?
I like it.
gotta hit it, man.
Hit it?
Smash it, yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, right. Piece of wood. It's super tiny. Nothing fits in there.
Wow. It's very good. Does it come in?
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Rishi. Rishi.
Rishin.
Yeah,
I'm
Rishi.
Phun. Nice to meet you. Where you come from?
India.
India.
Yeah.